Hi friends, welcome to DM classes. Today we will start with 6th chapter of Maths Part 1, that is Financial Planning. So, what is financial planning? Every investor first spends the amount required to meet primary necessities and saves the remaining amount. One also uses these savings to make a carefully considered investments. This is called financial planning. The main purpose of financial planning is protection and growth of the wealth. Financial planning is useful for making provisions for the predictable and unpredictable expenses that each of us has is made in our life. Predictable expenses are which can be estimated in advance, like education of children and other expenses for them, capital for a profession or business, buying a vehicle, buying or building a house, and old age requirements. Whereas unpredictable expenses are which cannot be estimated in advance, like natural disaster, medical expenses for a family member, loss due to an accident, and sudden death. Now, savings. After spending on the necessities of the present, everyone tries to save money for future expenses. The saved amount is known as savings. It is for our own benefit to keep our savings safe and to make them grow. Our savings remain safe in a bank or in a post office. We do not have to carry large amount of cash or worry about losing it or getting it stolen. If the money we get or earn is in the form of cash and we keep it as it is without investing it, its value diminishes with time. For example, today you can purchase 4 pens at 20 rupees. 5 years later, you might be able to buy only 2 pens for 20 rupees. The amount invested it used for expanding business or to start an industry or other similar purpose, its value increases. If the some part of the income is spent for a socially useful cause, everyone benefits from it in the long run. The picture shown here displays some modes of investment. Now investments. Investments are of many types. It is safe to invest money in institutions like banks and postal departments. However, the interest on the investments is less. There is certain risk in investing money in shares, mutual funds, etc. The money invested in shares and mutual funds is invested in business or industry. If loss occurs, the investor suffers the loss, and if profit is made, the money is safe and the investor may earn dividend too. It is possible to make big gain by taking greater risk. However, it must be kept in mind that the greater risk can also lead to greater loss. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.